Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very quick invitation to join us for the very special launch of DFY Suite 3.0 going down on May 20th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are really excited to bring this back to the market because quite frankly, it's been our best converting offer since 2019 when we first released this to the marketplace. And for good reason, okay? We've really nailed down this angle, this offer, and pretty much it is the best done for you platform for your customers to go to leverage the power of quality social syndication to get page one rankings in both Google and YouTube. And it truly is done for you. All they have to do is log in, supply us with their keywords and their URLs, hit start, and then we go ahead and take it from there and build them high quality social syndication completely hands-free. Okay, so it truly is a silver platter kind of offer. And yes, we have been able to make it better, even better than version 2.0, okay? And both version 1.0 and 2.0, they both sold just as well, okay? And again, it comes back to something that is truly done for you, okay, and something that continues to get better. And now in version 3.0, we've done it once again, okay? And in version 3.0, we have opened up our platform to a global level, okay? This is one of the biggest things that our customers asked about, which is number one, being able to add different languages into our system, so the support of foreign languages, and we've been able to do that. So DFY Suite 3.0 now supports just about every major foreign language across the world. So we now provide DFY global rankings. Okay, that's part one. Part two, we have expanded our network to pretty much 5 times the size of when we launched 1.0. So now we've got a massive network of high quality sites that your customers will be getting quality syndication from. And again, everything is done for them. And we've 5x'd the size of our network. And on top of that, we've also expanded our IPs across our network to also include global IPs. So we now truly are able to provide global rankings, done for you global rankings to your customers, okay? And lastly, we've also been able to integrate our AI content generation system into our campaigns to make that even better. So now all of your customers' campaigns will come attached with totally unique artificially intelligent content generation to go along with their campaign to make it even stronger, since we all know that Google truly loves unique content. So on top of all of that, we have integrated our AI content generation system, which all of you probably know that we released this year as well, called Create. So we've integrated Create with DFY Suite, and your customers don't have to pay anything extra for that. Everything is integrated and we are covering all the costs. So they are also getting AI content, okay? And as of today, if I take a look at our stats, DFY Authority is at $23,904 total sales and $935,000, $986 in sales. So just under 7 figures in sales with this one brand. And in version 3.0, we are looking to blast through that, okay? We'll also obviously get through past that with the recurring offer that we have in our funnel, since that just continues to sell. And it continues to put money in your pocket as affiliates. And we have that same congruent funnel with 3.0 as well. So our goal is to, number one, pass through the 7-figure mark with the launch itself, but also keep that growing with the recurring, okay? And that is pretty much just an overview of what we have coming out in version 3.0. I wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything, but as you can see, we have some very big updates in this version 3.0. We have a proven offer, a proven funnel, our recurring funnel in place to make you even more money. And we're also going to tweak this one up a little bit to add some high ticket in there as well. So get ready for this May 20th through the 25th. Get all the details below, and I look forward to having you on board.